Well, I think first thing the word you is legendary. I think he has really worked hard to be the legend in the test format, because it's also not an easy format, because we all believe like test cricket is a real test cricket, and anybody who's playing 100 test matches for any country, but I think especially for India, I think Pujara has done that. I think that's a remarkable achievement what he has done, because it's never easy to play more than 50 test matches where your opponent knows your weak point, strong point, and there I think you have to manage. But the beauty of Pujara, because I was lucky to work with him in his early years. I saw him from like under 19. I was a part of when he was with us in the India A tour in Australia. But the one thing separate, the concentration, what he got, I think that was a special. He has that ability to play session by session. I think that's a rare. I think the way he used to concentrate, and he had that strong defense and that ability to play for that long inning. I think that was unbelievable, to be honest, because I think so many times even in Team India he played those crucial sessions which helped for the Team India to win the match or draw the match. But I think that was a special talent we had. Yes, in the modern it's not like everybody will be in all format, very few, but he was a master in the test format. I think that's very important. Well, I think as spoken to you earlier also, he was really special. The concentration level, and I think the ability to leave the ball, I think that's very important in a test format, and he was master in that. Yes, we are not found as good as Pujara, but that's what the times goes on. You have to move with the time, and I'm sure like we will get a thing. It's also like you have to play, like sometimes it's important to have like a very positive player. We saw like one of the best number 3 players like a Ponting. He used to go there and be positive, get that like run rate very good also. That's also very important. So it's a different mindset, because I think it's every type of players are important, especially in the test, who can occupy the crease as well as who got ability to score runs in a quick time, because ultimately it's also in a test scoring runs. And nowadays you saw like in a baseball era where you want a result, where you have to play according to team situation, where you should have the ability. But yes, in a test cricket there will be always people will remember Pujara, what he has done for Team India. जैसे मैंने कहा कि पुजारा जैसा प्लेयर काफ़ी रेयर होता है कि आपको उस तरह के से कंसंट्रेशन करने वाला प्लेयर टेस्ट क्रिकेट में, कोई भी क्रिकेटर जो 100 टेस्ट मैचेस खेलता है वो हमेशा स्पेशल होता है कोई भी कंट्री के लिए। और टीम इंडिया को 105 टेस्ट मैचेस खेलना ये बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि उसका जो रोल था कि नंबर 3 पे जाके जो लॉन्ग इनिंग्स खेलना, टीम का टॉप अपोनेंट बॉलर्स को ही यूज्ड टू सी ऑफ, लाइक उनका जो स्पेल खेल के निकालता था, उसके वजह से पीछे के बैट्समैन को काफ़ी इजी हो जाता था। बट मेरे को भी एक सौभाग्य था कि 2010 में जब टीम इंडिया ए टीम के साथ ऑस्ट्रेलिया और इंग्लैंड में हम लोग गए थे, तो पुजारा मेरे साथ कैप्टन था। उसके अर्ली डेज थे, और जो मुझे देखने को मिला था वो उसकी कमिटमेंट और स्पेशल था, क्योंकि जो कंसंट्रेशन लेवल था, क्योंकि जो भी बैट्समैन होते हैं इनको कंसंट्रेशन लेवल थोड़े टाइम के लिए होता है, बट पुजारा हैड दैट एबिलिटी कि उसके कंसंट्रेशन लेवल सेशन बाय सेशन होते थे, पूरा दिन खेलने की कैपेसिटी थी। और मुझे लगता है कि वो हमेशा टीम इंडिया अभी मिसिंग करेंगी कि वो टाइप ऑफ क्वालिटी प्लेयर। यस, अभी के टाइम में जरूर है कि टाइम चेंज हो गया है ये फॉर्मेट में। अभी आप देखते हैं कि इवन रिकी पॉन्टिंग जैसे भी प्लेयर होते थे कि जो 3 नंबर में जाके बहुत पॉजिटिव खेलते थे, तो अप्रोच चेंज होगा। बट पुजारा जैसे रोल भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था टीम इंडिया के लिए, स्पेशली इन अ टेस्ट क्रिकेट, कि जिसके पास दे नो हाउ टू प्ले सेशन। और बट टाइम हैज चेंज, वी हैव टू मूव ऑन टाइम। हमें पुजारा जैसा प्लेयर नहीं मिलेगा, बट अलग डिफरेंट माइंडसेट का प्लेयर मिल सकता है जो पॉजिटिव खेले और टीम इंडिया को कम टाइम में रन बना के दे और एक रिस्पेक्टेबल टोटल बना दे पूरे दिन खेल के।